the udder of mine, the blood between us, veins I chewed. To bring pain, they bring pain. Thrust after thrust. No energy. I am that purpose. No strength. Nowhere to go. Cupboard or the bed below. Tied down. Brick. Wood. Cloth. Flesh. Damaged like a pathway. Breaking up nature. A habitat or a cat's map. Destruction lies everywhere. Nothing but destruction. Lines the walls of me. Bare stomach. Fragile limbs. Needles and corks. Cans and foil. A joke to all. A giggle for a fool. The trusted one that seeks the most vulnerable, hand in hand, manipulating the mind. Nerves are all to please, mind at ease, fictional all but, nothing but reality. No justice, skin to skin, no books, no loving, just vulnerability, mentally, physically. Gone, gone, gone.